to a simmer. Lid halfway. Once it's on a simmer, you want to cook it for around 10 minutes. Wang your eggs in.
Oh, hi. So, what are you doing? Oh, hi. I'm using my phone a little bit. I'm kind of busy. Just watching a couple cooking video. Now, what? Oh, it's BBC cooking video about fried rice. I'm just learning how to do fried rice. It's pretty kind of new to me, you know. Oh, okay. Just pass it up, please. But yeah. Oh, sure. I take it. Here. Yes, here. Okay. Okay. So what do we have here?
Okay, rice. We are looking good. Drain it.
What the hell is this? What?
We are looking good. Drain it.
How is this? What the hell is? So jokes aside, but the main thing is that. Hi guys. So welcome back to my channel. The other day I was just doing some homework like usual, minding my own business, and I was just doing homework at the same time surfing the net and watching some cooking videos, because that is the most effective way of studying you can think of, you know. However, at that time I was surfing Reddit and I came across numerous memes on specific videos of a guy getting frustrated and freaks out over another clip of BBC food. And you know that when a channel like BBC try to cover cooking, it's not that good. And I come across numerous memes about that video, like this one, right here, right. And I was started to get more intrigued of this thing, so I decided to search all of that on YouTube. I searched with the keyword BBC food egg fried rice, and bam, there we go. I found the clip.
Egg fried rice. Don't be afraid. This is really simple. It's cheap, it's delicious, really satisfying, and it's like a takeaway, but you haven't paid £8 for it. So a lot of people get afraid of cooking with rice.
And I watch.
Okay, rice. We are looking good. Drain it.
So after that, I was start to have confused and wonder, and I will start to have second thought and second guess on the method of preparing rice of mine for the last couple of years. So you might know that I'm Asian, and like many other Asian country, the Vietnamese people eat a lot of rice, and most Asian country, I assume, have a method of cooking rice. Either you cook it on a rice cooker, like many family do, or you cook it on a stove, in a saucepan or in a pan, and you pour water in it, and you cover the lid a little bit, and after that you have some delicious rice, like that. However, you never drained rice before, and I start to have question of the method I've been preparing rice for all my life, and wondering perhaps I should try this method out. However, I wasn't tricked. I didn't fall for a trick though, because I watched other video and I start to realize no, BBC, you messed up this time. So I'm gonna show you guys the ultimate way to prepare some rice. Take in mind, this rice I made with love, so you better enjoy it, okay? So let's make some rice. Apparently I prepared this guy right here. It's something like you put your rice into it and then you put over water and you rinse it to clean it. But if you buy your rice from a supermarket and you think it's already clean in a package maybe, then you don't need to rinse it or wash it under water. And take in mind, you have to wash your rice before it's cooked. And don't never ever wash your rice when it's undercooked and disgusting mush. So now let's get into the process of making some rice. Not rice, okay? Okay, so after after that, you're gonna want to put your rice into this. You're gonna put some water on it. You're gonna wash it a little bit, and then you're gonna try to rinse the water and the rice together. You want to drain the water away, drain it down. You could use the water left behind to water your plant because it's very nutritious, good for your plant. But take in mind, you have to drain all of the water away after 2 or 3 times of washing, and then you're gonna put the rice in your rice cooker or put in a saucepan to cook up the rice. Okay, so let's continue. So after finishing washing the rice, I put into this guy right here, and then gonna put some pot water in it. And there's old Asian saying that you're gonna put up to like this. Well, that saying is truth and you should follow it. And now I'm gonna close the lid of my rice cooker. I'm gonna plug in the lid and I'm gonna wait for approximately 1 hour before the rice is done. So after approximately 1 hour passed, you got this perfect, beautiful, highly visualized bowl of rice. And you can clearly hear the sound of my family having dinner right now and me starving, trying to film you guys and show you guys how beautiful my rice looks. You can see very, very clearly each grain of rice and how clearly visualized they are.
So delicious.
And that's all for this video, and I will see you guys later.